Hey family, greetings everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's been so long and I missed you all. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you everyone. Today's video is just all about my apartment. We fixed our curtain rods and curtains. This video is supposed to be posted a long time, but as God may have it, I just have to post it now. So if you are seeing this video, do watch to the end and join us as we make a difference in my new apartment. My sisters are here helping me out with the things. Fixing this curtain was not actually easy the way it looks. It comes with its own pains. Your hands will be paining you. I'm just glad that my sisters were able to help me to do some of them so well, and it all went well. We have to remeasure, adjust some parts, and sometimes even agreed about whether it's straight or not. Well, at the end of the day, it all came out well, even with the little mistakes. Fine. So, do watch to the end, enjoy the vlog, stay with us, and not go anywhere.
Yes, don't cut him, Gamma. Don't cut him, my image. Let's shift to a kind of door. I do go now. I shift to a black. I did go. Hey, today again now.
Aka koloni ya na kama akuli ya yeye.
I was just observing the straightness of the curtain from afar and also making sure that everything goes well. A lot of things to be fixed in the house, both the one I already arranged, but we decided to keep going, and everything was still going very smoothly.
Very tight. Nke me tight am not man o se ezi. One nke na fi self di kwesi.
The way to the end. Oh, the good.
Aka ya lu na mo. Aka ya lu na mo. Maria mo.
Me ya zelut. He atoni ani.
Ni ni wala de yo.
Oh, I'm again. Okay, put on a wall. Okay. I'm gonna try it.
Io fu che non chiede c'era lo via non la dio fa. Hola.
Devi tirare.
Dove fai lo
Sì, lo si deve subito.
Okay, apa ni mo fu ke. Okay, this thing you know. Hey. Aya. Oh,
We are done with the front door curtain work, so it's time to fix the kitchen room and also the room one. I was just helping her to make sure the road is straight and make things easier also.
Now I'm going to clean up.
450. On neck you go.
So you go for 400.
Hey, I get in there. I look all the carpenter. Why? Talk about child more. Ah! Hey, Chineke nna. Hey! Hey! Onye na-anwere na ya akụta God rubbish you. Kapịnta agwụla agwụ. Onye kowe. Amala ebe ifi kowe wig. Hey, Chineke nna wo. Hey, ụkwa afụfụ. After all the stress. Guys, that emezi a turning. Hello, Chef. What's your name? Salasa. Yeah, that's that day. It's for two sides. Nanti di medical, masih na